We just went 15 minutes, I think it was, out of our way just for food.
What kind of food at 10:30 in the morning?
Filet.
Yeah.
That was my breakfast.
So we're headed home now. We just went out for a little bit, had to go grocery shopping and everything before this blizzard comes. Supposedly we're gonna get blizzard tonight. You guys know how crazy it could get out here. We tried to get out early. It's like 11 o'clock right now. We tried to get out.
If you guys don't know, here in Connecticut, before blizzard, everyone goes crazy. It doesn't matter how big it's gonna be, everyone goes crazy.
Connecticut is crazy already. Connecticut is voted the worst drivers in America. You can look that up. But we're trying to head home. We're trying to get home here before all the craziness starts. Gotta go pick up our little girl. Yeah. Alright, here it is.
Good in here.
Yeah, put black ice. So that's my regular car, my daily. And this one was just for the snow. Haven't really been able to use it yet, but I will be taking it out tonight, hopefully. For $1,000 in 4-wheel drive, I think it's pretty good. I think it's worth $1,000. Let's make sure it starts. Here we go.
We are cooking.
And by we, she means her.
Yeah.
Making like vegan cheeseburgers. We're not really vegan, but
Like vegetarian.
yeah, we eat that stuff sometimes just because it's healthy. Right now it's 4:23. Take a look at what it looks like outside now. It's been like 2 months, right, since it snowed.
That's crazy.
I got a possum on video right now that just came out from under our deck.
Ew, they're so cute. I want one.
Is it cute? It's ugly.
Yeah, I want one as a pet. Go get it, babe. Go catch it.
Everybody's ready to eat, right?
We are about to eat, and this is
The finished product.
Yes, it looks like a Krabby Patty. Yummy.
And the snow has officially started. I'm gonna go take a little ride, test it out now, see how it is. There's only a little bit on the streets. Easily, Subaru. I'm out here, I'm at a red light right now. It's not too bad. It's not as bad as it looked on my road. Probably because nobody was driving on my road, but as you can see, I'm on the main street here, and there's really nothing, so I'll go out later.
So it's the morning after, and yeah, it snowed, but it was definitely not a blizzard. Supposedly it was gonna be a really big storm or whatever, but they always gas it up. They always end up saying it's gonna be way worse than it really is. Neil's getting ready to shovel my car out.
Your car?
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, mine.
Yeah. You know, that Honda is going nowhere in the snow. Yeah.
Now we're really out here now. The snow has fallen. Everything's all said and done. And I gotta bring my wife to work. We'll see how this goes.
Alright, so we're driving.
This is it's like the real blizzard now. Last night it was just getting started. But now all the snow has fallen and now there's ice falling. So it should make for a good mix. Even with the 4-wheel drive.
Huh? Oh,
Getting nervous?
The leg is frozen.
Yeah.
Alright, so
mirrors
how
don't
can you see to the back?
the thing. I got the mirrors frozen and the back window frozen. So let's look at this. Leo had to be at work at 9. Not too bad, right?
Yep. What if I
Fall?
fall right here?
I'll make sure to record it.
No.
Not fun out here. Well, it is fun out here, actually. Not fun for everybody else. It's fun for me. Just to show you how icy the roads are. It's actually a parking lot, like getting back to the parking lot. I just want to show you me trying to stop on this ice here. Brakes just lock up right away. So 3 p.m. now. They started to clean up the roads. Finally, I'm still driving out here, but as you guys can see, everything is wet. A lot of puddles and everything. So it's going down to 5 degrees tonight. 5 degrees Fahrenheit. So that means everything is going to be frozen solid tonight. All this water that you're seeing on the road, everything, this is all going to be ice, straight ice. Look out for part 2 when I sit in the house eating cookies with my wife and daughter and don't leave. Look at that Beamer. Look at them. They're stuck. They're not going nowhere.